Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going back to our favorite series, how to pose like a supermodel. You guys know that I already have a full series about how to pose, and if you want to check it out, all other videos, go to my channel, subscribe, like, comment down below if you want to see more content like that. But today we're gonna talk about one of looking easy kind of posing, but actually it is not, because controlling your body, your face, your emotions, and using an object, it's always a tough situation. Today we're gonna learn how to pose with a wall. And we're gonna start with the mistake that most of the models do, and it's just being flat on the wall. Don't be flat. Use the wall. You gotta understand that one of the most important part of posing with a wall is only having one part of your body touching it. That could be anything. That could be your shoulders, your butt, your elbow, your shoulder, or maybe shoulder with a head. You can even have few points of contact with the wall, but you gotta make sure that you're not staying flat towards it. The next very important part is to create a space. How do you do so? You gotta use your body and you gotta use the wall to create a space. Remember, you always need to have two hands and two legs for the photo. And if you want to know how to pose perfectly like a supermodel, in my video right here, you can learn something new. So let's talk about creating a space. It is very easy to fill the wall. You gotta make different shapes with your hand. Don't be stiff. Don't do pose, pose, pose. Make a movement. Create a movement. Use your hands, your legs, touch just one part of your body to the wall and create those different shapes. And movement will give a chance to the photographer to create the best photos of you and for his portfolio as well. So just have a little bit of the movement in your body and only touch one part of your body to the wall. Use your wall as a tool. Don't be afraid to turn around, use your hands on it, maybe put your shoulders on it, and even back all the way to the camera. Same technique. Use your shoulder, use your butt, even you can bend over a little bit. Depending on the shoot. But honestly, wall is a great tool. You just gotta know how to use it properly. And don't forget, all you gotta do is move. The next important part is your face and expressions. Expressions is something that gives the photographer the life of the photo. So all you need to do is look at the camera if that's the goal. But you gotta think about something very specific. Ask the photographer, what type of mood is he preferring today? Maybe it's a happy shoot. Maybe it's an angry shoot. Maybe it is an upset shoot. Maybe it's a strong, powerful shoot. So look for those guidelines from your photographer, stylist, art director, or whoever is there, and use it. But remember, the face expressions are one of the most important. So always have your chin up-ish. Remember that your face needs to look nice and skinny-ish in terms of shapes. So never go like that. Always go up and look for your best angles. And I already gave you a nice video about your face expressions. You can check that video right here. Hey, I just want to say that creating this content takes a lot of time and effort, and I'm really doing my best to produce something meaningful for you. I post every Wednesday. If you like this type of content, I'd really appreciate your support. Interacting with this video helps me a lot to understand that I'm doing something right. Please subscribe to learn everything about modeling world. Thank you for being here. So we already talked about the standing position with a wall. One of my favorite use of the wall is actually sitting on the floor. So let's do it. One of my favorite sittings, looks pretty grungy, is when you are basically doing the Russian squat. I think that's what they call it nowadays. You are just touching your back, relax your arms. You can even put it between your legs. You can have one hand up. You can even have both hands up. You can have one knee down, same, touching the wall, creating an angle. Don't be afraid to use your hands and bring them up. Just make sure it feels and looks supernatural, because a lot of times models do awkward positions where it doesn't really seem it belongs to her or belongs to the space. So just make it natural. And usually if you do a movement, as I taught you many times, it's easier to create the natural poses. So sitting like that is very nice, always looks grungy. And then we're gonna sit straight on your booty. Honestly, here you can create a lot of different poses with even bringing the legs up, having one knee up, even straightening your legs forward. You can even do both legs bent to the side, even to the back. Let's say you have some cute, nice things on the back that you are trying to show off. You can even do the back poses. Same with the forward. You can turn around almost all the way and have different positions. But remember, 2 legs, 2 arms at most cases. Just a movement, very easy. And this is how you pose with a wall. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something new. But if you want to learn more, you definitely gotta subscribe. And I'm gonna teach you everything about fashion world. And not only that, we're gonna bring so much more new topics. But comment down below what kind of topic you want me to talk about it, because I am gonna make you happy. See you next time.